on, get around him, Luke.
Come on, Luke.
Straighten that leg out. Straighten it out. There you go. Cross face, cross face, cross face.
Yep.
There you go.
Behind him.
Sink one in there. Let's go.
Come on, Luke. What happened there?
There you go.
Leader.
Roll him over.
There you keep driving, keep driving. He'll go.
He'll go.
Keep going.
Go.
Keep driving.
Come on,
Go.
let's go.
Quick legs. There you go. Come on. Get that other arm out. There you go.
There you go.
Come on. Finish him off.
Put your head up. Push it down. There you go. Just like that. Keep it going. Keep the pressure.
Get a chin in there or something.
Come on, Tony, keep fighting.
There you go.
Push down with the chest. Keep your head up high.
Get in there. Put your chin in there. Come on. 10 seconds. Get that chin in there.
Push the pressure. There you go.
Come on. There it is. Come on.
Put the pressure down.
What do you want, Luke? Up or down? Ain't none anywhere. I'm stepping in. All right, flat him out. There you go. Use that chin now. Chicken wing. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Get that leg over. Get your leg over. Don't you let him up.
Don't let him up.
Don't let him up. Keep that pressure.
Watch that leg. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Keep rubbing. Little. Grab his other arm. Get a bundle. Get that bundle going. That arm's hanging there. Get it. Don't get caught. There you go. Oh, you better roll out of that. There you go. Come on. Come on, get out of there. Let go of the head. There you go. Watch his head, man. Come on. There you go. Get out of it. He's all right. He's good.
There you go.
There you go. Finish him. He's mad now.
Come on, Luke.
I thought he had his neck the first place. Set. He had the top. There you go.
Keep him down. Keep him down.
Come on, don't let him up.
Break it down, Luke.
You got 30 seconds, Luke.
Break it down. There you go.
Work on his hands, Tony. Work his hands. His hands. Let's go. Up. You got him. Let's go. Come on, Tony.
Got him, Luke.
Go. Leg up. Leg up. Look the way. Look the other way.
Roll.
Come up.
Going chicken wing.
Lock your hands together, Tony. Put them together. Lock them together.
Walk over his head now, right? Up. Neutral. Have him up. Up. What do you want, Luke? Can afford it.
Keep him down, Luke.
Hands. Take it off your shoulder. Now look away. Look away.
There you go.
Look the other way.
Now you got him. Come on. Keep going. You're going. It's there. It's there.
There you go.
You got a bridge, Tony.
Chest to chest. Chest to chest.
Pull your arm through.
Straighten that arm out.
Come on, Tony.
Nice bridge.
Got lots of time.
He's got it going.
Keep that pressure.
There it is. There it is. Get your arm out from underneath it. Do it again.
Come up.
Come on, man.
Keep that pressure. Keep it.
30 seconds.
Just don't get caught. Don't tip yourself over.
Come on, let's go.
5, dude. You got this.
20 seconds, Luke. Don't do nothing stupid.
Keep going, buddy.
Pin him.
Keep going. Keep the pressure.
Grab a leg, grab a leg. Go, go.
There you go.
10 seconds, Luke.
You got 10.
The other leg.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That's right. The leg. Nice job, buddy.